Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to share some 9 different fun word games. It's going to be really fun and interesting for the children to play with words. These activities help them in their spelling. Let the children have some fun developing their spelling skills with these kinds of activities instead of just giving them dictation. So here I have made a booklet for this particular word activity with some colored sheets. I have just uploaded it to make it as a book. The first activity is I have pasted 2 pictures here with same vowel. Okay, some children may struggle in identifying the vowel sound. So for those, initially you can provide some activities like this where we provide the vowel here and the child has to guess the beginning sound and the ending sound to make up a word. So then you can move on for other activities. So here I have done it. This is a pot, so pot and a dog here. So they just have to guess the beginning sound and the ending sound to do this activity. Okay, so the second activity is this one. Here I have prepared a 3x3 grid, and for each of the row I have pasted a sticker. It's for CVC Word, so I have done a 3x3 grid. Okay, so initially you can help the children by providing some letters here, and then later you can just provide the grid and ask them to do. So here I have pasted some stickers, and here I have hand drawn it. If you don't have stickers, you can also draw it. And the next activity is a crossword puzzle. So here the child has to identify the words here, and they try to identify the sounds in it and write on the words here. So that is this activity. So it's a bib here, so they'll write b-ib, and it's a bed, so it's already b here, so they just have to write a-d, and then it's dot here, and then it is 10, and then this is sun, and then it is 6, and here it is fox, and like this the child has to do. And the next activity is to make them confident on the vowel sounds. You can provide an activity like this. Initially what you can do is you can ask them to work with 2 vowels first. So they have to identify it's a man, so they have to identify it's whether a or e and write on the vowel here. Like that they have to do this particular activity. This will really help them in the vowel sounds. Okay, and the next activity is a spelling maze. I really like this activity. This is a very fun activity to do, and I have hand drawn all the pictures. So this is a cup, so the child has to do like this. It's up, so the child has to do like this. And it's a sun, so it is like so the child has to finish the maze like this, and likewise this particular activity has to be done. So this is a very good and very fun activity. And this is a fan, cap, and here it is lap, bee, and a pan. The next activity is I have just pasted a sticker and I have provided the grid for each of the letters. They just have to guess the word and write on the word here. It's car, so like that the child has to write. And the next activity is, this is an I Spy game. I have added 4-letter words also. You can do all these activities with 4-letter words, 5-letter words also. This is an I Spy game where I have pasted some stickers on one side of the book. On the other side I have provided the words. So the child has to try to read the word here, identify the picture here, and once they are done they can put a tick mark over here. And like that they have to do this I Spy game. Okay, and the next activity is unscramble. Here I have pasted the sticker here, and the child has to unscramble this particular word and write it here. write the correct word over here. So that is this one. We are helping them with the sounds here, and they can just form the word with these letters. And the next one is a word search, and here I have written some CVC words here. The child has to read this word, identify the word on this grid, and they have to circle it. So that is this activity. So that is how these are the 9 different activities I have done, and the children would really love to do these kinds of activities. Try it out and let me know your comments in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please do hit that like button, and please subscribe for many such videos. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.